Hello everyone! The premiere of a new generation of a popular Czech crossover will take place very soon. The second generation Kodiaq will get an almost vertical polygonal grille while retaining one of the main features of a first generation model, double-decker optics. The most noticeable change of a rear view will be the original C-shaped optics, with a jumper at the bottom, not typical for other models of the company. The new Kodiaq will be built on our refined MQB platform, which is also used by the recently introduced third-generation Volkswagen Tiguan. The crossover will be offered with gasoline 2.0 TSI with 204 horsepower and a mild hybrid 150 horsepower 1.5 TSI and diesel motors 2.0 TDI with 150 or 193 horsepower. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.